Preparation strategy for securing public sector jobs. Securing a job in the public sector requires careful planning and preparation. Here's a comprehensive strategy to increase your chances of success. Research. Understand the types of jobs available in the public sector, including their qualifications, responsibilities, and salary ranges. Research the specific agencies or departments where you want to work to gain insights into their goals, values, and work culture. Education and qualifications. Determine the educational requirements for the job you're targeting. Many public sector jobs require specific degrees or certifications. If needed, pursue further education or certifications to meet the job requirements. Networking. Attend job fairs, seminars, and workshops related to your desired field. This will help you connect with professionals and learn about job openings. Use professional networking platforms like LinkedIn to build connections with people working in the public sector. Resume and cover letter. Tailor your resume to highlight relevant skills, experiences, and accomplishments that align with the job's requirements. Write a compelling cover letter that emphasizes your passion for public service and explains why you're a strong fit for the position. Application process. Carefully review the job posting to understand the specific qualifications and responsibilities. Make sure your application addresses each requirement. Follow all application instructions and deadlines. Preparation for tests and exams. Many public sector jobs require written exams, aptitude tests, or assessments. Study relevant materials to perform well. If there's an interview, practice your communication skills, and prepare answers to common interview questions. Government job portals. Keep an eye on official government job portals, as they often list current job openings in the public sector. Civil service examinations. In some countries, civil service exams are required for certain public sector positions. Study the exam syllabus and practice sample papers. References and recommendations. Gather strong references from previous employers, professors, or individuals who can vouch for your skills and character. Continuous learning. Stay updated on industry trends, policy changes, and advancements in your field. This shows your commitment to professional growth. Interview preparation. Research common interview questions for public sector jobs and prepare thoughtful answers. Highlight your relevant experiences and skills during the interview. Showcase soft skills. Public sector jobs often require strong communication, teamwork, problem-solving, and adaptability skills. Be prepared to demonstrate these qualities. Follow up. After submitting your application or attending an interview, send a follow-up thank you email to express your appreciation for the opportunity. Stay persistent. Securing a public sector job can be competitive and time-consuming. Stay persistent and keep applying to relevant positions. Consider internships or volunteer work. Gain relevant experience by participating in internships or volunteering within the public sector. This can help you build connections and enhance your resume. Behavioral assessments. Public sector employers often use behavioral assessments to evaluate your compatibility with the organization's values and culture. Be prepared to answer questions about your work ethic, teamwork, and problem-solving abilities. Mock interviews. Practice mock interviews with friends, family, or career advisors to refine your interview skills and receive constructive feedback. Remember that the public sector values candidates who are committed to serving the community, exhibit strong ethical standards, and possess the necessary skills and qualifications. Following this strategy will help you stand out as a strong candidate and increase your chances of securing a job in the public sector.